farts. Like really nasty farts. I just farted. Or maybe I just have to fart. Spot us.
I don't think. Did you fart? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Stop, please. Did you?
Is that weirdo that wants a burp still here?
Right when Jane comes for a week straight.
I have to tell you something.
Please stop me.
Equilibrium. I need to fart. Oh, sorry.
I gotta fart again, guys. I'm sorry. That was so loud. Fucking ah! Made me fart.
¿Se escuchó? Oh my god, I have to fart. Hold on.
Kill him, dude.
It's just two people accusing one another. I can't.
Dude, vote Schmidt, dude. This is the last game.
Vote, you got my vote.
Oh, I gotta. Did you guys hear that massive fart I just ripped?
Oh. Not sure.
That was loud.
Stream is up.
I farted. farted. Did you manifest it?
Oh man. Yes.
Pablo Martí, ese es más español que...
Paolo, no seas pesado.
Abschluss. Oh, nee, mehr wird was wiegen, ey. Sag mir.
I how many times? Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna go get some lunch.
Did you hear that? Please tell me you heard that.
Was that necessary? Hostia, saco esto.
¡Cambiar el arma! ¡Oh, shit! En fin, un mazapán y lo que sigue.
You know, natural beauty and...
Oh yo, I need to fart again. Oh.
Just enough to keep me focused. You know?
Oh, I gotta fart.
Good. Yeah.
Oh. I farted. Yes, Don, they're fake. Here we go again. I'm sorry, that was gross. That came out.
Gente, é um pato. Vocês ouviram um pato? Tem um pato aqui em casa, ó.
What I mean. That's what I'm on about.
ci sta la mia dita. So much to clean. Oh shit.
Whoops. Also. See? They come when they come.
I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more
dignified
somehow.
Farted, guys. Just for you.
A ja sobie pierdłam. Mam nadzieję...
Ready? Did you hear it? Did you freaking hear it?